ang bebela. Ay, wala kang dalang pang swimming. MG. Kawawa. At ito ang ating, tagalinis ng room. And ito ang aming room. Yan.
Hello!
Ay, ayan, may mga tiyanak doon. Yeah, tapos may lutuan dito. May dalawang free bottle, dalawang free na tea. Ayan, may lutuan, may ref, and CR. O, yan laka ng CR nila. Kaso walang bathtub. Shoo! Yung CR, merong hair dryer. Yan.
I'm thirsty.
Ay! Alright. Dako naman tayo sa... Ang tawag dyan? Sa balcony. Let's go to the balcony.
May swimming pool eh. Ma,
Let's go to the
may
balcony.
swimming pool sa baba.
Saan baba? Tapos nalaglag yung cellphone ko. Oh my gosh! Sa taas!
You know,
Kakalula.
there's somebody swimming in pool.
Saan?
I know.
Ayaw nga.
Swimming kami ta.
Ngayon? La, baka masarahan tayo. Makabaliw talaga kayo.
Mag-pieces.
Stali ka na, nak. Huwag ka dyan. Delicate siya. Tapos merong drawer na malaki dito. And merong...
Mama.
Wala magbabantay sa inyo mamaya pagdating ni Tita John John. Sige, pwede na. Picturean muna kita. Ano ba? Ba't na ganyan? Ayan na. Tingin ka doon. Ayun. Ha? Ayan na. Ayun na, babe. Tingin ka doon. Ayan na, babalik na. Tingin ka doon. Ayan na, ayan na. Kala mo nalulunod eh. Jen, awa ka dyan sa, yan, ganyan kayo. Gusto ka konti para makita din si Kylie. Ganyan, yan. Para dalawa kayo. Yan na. Yan, ganyan lang kayo. Ganyan lang kayo. Tingin lang kayo saan. Payat mo isa. Payat mo isa.
His name is Vincent, together with trainer Mark. Say hi! While on the other side is one of the eldest females of American Sea Life that we have here. And for the third grader, she is the smartest. Oh, what is shy girl? Her name is Yanni. Together with trainer Jamie, say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feeder feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea who they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front fingers, which are shaped like a bird's beak. See those? Feather fingers can also be translated as wing-footed, since their fingers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to climb underwater as these wing from is rescue life rest. And you know, they are often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they're able to turn their back flippers. Some big seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fun demonstration. How about us for sea lion friends? And you know guys, they have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? So check this out. So flexible, right? And how about us for sea lion friends? As you can see, their bodies covered with people of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They can take their fibers, which make them sensitive. Nice smile.